Hello students, today we are going to do question number 2 of exercise 2.2 linear equations in one variable. The second question is, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? Let the breadth of the pool be x. Now it is given its length is 2 more than, that means 2 plus or plus 2, then twice its breadth. If the breadth is x, then twice the breadth will be 2x and 2 more than that. So then 2x plus 2 is the length. Now we know the length and breadth. We know that the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So P is equal to 2 into L plus B, and it is given that the perimeter is 154 meter. So we can say 2 into, the length is 2x plus 2 plus the breadth is x. This is equal to 154. Or we can say 3x plus 2, this is equal to 154 by 2. We cancel it, we get 77. Or 3x plus 2 is equal to 77. 3x is equal to 77 minus 2, which is 75. We can say x is equal to 75 by 3, which is 25. So that means our breadth is 25 meters, and we know that the length is 2x plus 2. So 2x plus 2 or 2 into 25 plus 2. Substituting the value of x here, we get 50 plus 2, that is 52 meters. So this is our length and 25 meters is our width. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.